Mazda just revealed the cutest concept car you'll actually want to talk to, and yes, I said talk to. The Vision X-Compact hatchback just debuted at the Tokyo Motor Show, and it's redefining what a small car can be. This pint-sized stunner measures just 150 inches long, shorter than a Mini Cooper, but don't let the size fool you. Mazda packed it with empathetic AI that actually understands your mood. Feeling stressed? It adjusts the temperature and plays calming music. Bored with your commute? It suggests scenic backroads and even compliments your driving with a cheerful, nice merge when you nail it. This is companion-level tech in a car. The design is aggressive yet adorable with that signature Kodo styling, chunky C-pillar, and an illuminated front grille hinting at heavy electrification. Inside, Mazda thankfully skipped the screen overload. Clean, minimal, and focused on the driving experience. This could preview the next Mazda 2 or an all-new CX-20, sitting half a size smaller than the current lineup. With AI that learns your favorite locations and actually holds natural conversations, Mazda's proving small cars don't have to be boring. Will this adorable tech marvel hit production? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe because Mazda's future looks incredibly exciting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.